Today I'm cooking eggs fried rice with my new cast iron wok. It is super fast, only 6 minutes of cooking time while being super delicious with Wok Hei flavor. This recipe is for 2 servings. My wok still has some of the oil from the initial seasoning. First, heat it over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread it around the wok. As it is very hot now, add 35 grams of Lap Cheong cubes. And 3 cloves of minced garlic. Lightly stir until golden brown. Notice when the wok is very hot, it cooks the garlic and Lap Cheong really fast. They are also very fragrant now. I am adding another half tablespoon of cooking oil as the wok is too dry. Set it all to one side. Add 70 grams of frozen mixed vegetable and half teaspoon of light soy sauce. Stir to evenly distribute them. This heats the vegetable and thaw them nicely. Reduce the heat to medium-low as the wok is very hot now. Flip the Lap Cheong and garlic to prevent them from burning. Push all the ingredients to one side of the wok to make an empty space on the other side. Add half tablespoon of cooking oil. Crack 2 eggs in the wok. And half teaspoon of light soy sauce. Reduce the heat to low to allow the residual heat from the wok to cook the eggs. Then, marble the eggs, scraping the bottom to mix them well. Notice when the wok is very hot, it creates a lot of smoke while cooking. This is how we get the fragrance of Wok Hei. When there is a light marbling, the egg is about 80% cooked. Add 310 grams of cooked rice, 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil and half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir to mix the fried rice for 1 minute or until evenly combined. Press down on any lump to flatten and break them to get fluffy fried rice. If the rice is stuck, scrape the bottom. Alright, after 1 minute, the eggs fried rice is evenly in color and the ingredients are well mixed. Give it a taste. Very delicious. It is done. Switch off the heat, add 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onions and give another light stir. Now our eggs fried rice is done. Dish onto a serving plate. Garnish with the rest of spring onions and serve with cut cucumber. Let's eat! A light smoky taste combined with the sweet and salty Lap Cheong and fluffy rice make every bite appetizing. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.